Happy Saturday, y'all. Came on and rambled a little earlier, but I wanted to show y'all I went to the Dollar Tree. And y'all, I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a minute. Oh, Manny.
Oh, no.
Hey, y'all. So I had bought, when we were growing up, my mom used to, hi, it's Saturday. Happy Saturday, everybody. Welcome all my new subscribers. My name is Manny's mom. If you see something you like, if you like to be encouraged, inspired, loved on, hugged on, hey, here's a place to be. Anyway, I just left the Dollar Tree, and I was just telling y'all I hadn't been to the Dollar Tree in a while. But I wanted some, when we were growing up, you know how they had the Swiffer brooms in Mount Sinai? When we were growing up, we had to scrub our bathroom and kitchen we put down a lot of water and scrub it clean, and then get the water up with a mop, and then throw that water out and get clear water. No cleaning, and clean it again. My mom, man, she could clean up a house. Anyway, I went over, the real reason I went to the Dollar Tree is to get the little cheap brooms. Where it used to be $1 for the whole broom. Now it's $1.25 for the handle, $1 for the broom, but $25 for the broom. But what I like about it now is it screws into that. So I made sure it worked, but guess what? I ended up leaving it in the store. But I was a trainer in a retail store, and how I taught my cashiers is, the customer don't leave anything, you don't give it to them. Because before you wait on another customer, the customer that you're dealing with, everything that they paid for should be put in their buggy, either by them or you. But anyway, things happen, so I'll go back. Anyway, so I went to the Dollar Tree. Y'all, have y'all ever seen the Hormel's chicken and chili sauce Tamales? I used to get these beef all the time. Make sure, y'all, you wash the top of your cans out, because a lot of times they be in those warehouses all dirty. I wipe my cans off with soap and water. Like when I get ready to cook, I always make me a fresh sink of water with Clorox in it and done. But I always use my rag that I wash dishes with, to wash the cans off before I use them. Always done it that way. But anyway, the Hormel's tamales. I used to eat these back in the day, and I would take these and put a little chili on top and a little cheese. Especially in college, but I hadn't seen the kind with the chicken, so I got them from the Dollar Tree. And if you go to the store, these are like the Hormel tamales in the can now, like $2-3, I think. It's been a long time since I bought them. They don't taste like homemade, but I mean, it's something for a kid to hold them over or whatever. $1.25, I'm telling y'all, it's not bad. I kind of wish I would have gotten some more, but anyway, I got 2 just to check, because like I said, we haven't had the chicken kind. Let's see what the nutritional content is like. Probably, look at the sodium. 47% of the sodium you need in a day's time. Isn't that something? That's awful. That's a lot. So a serving is 3 of these. So this is 2 servings. 130 calories for a serving. So the whole thing would be 260. But if you eat 2 of these, you've had all the, if you eat this whole can, you've had all the sodium that you need in a day's time. 24 grams of carbs. So, I mean, 1 can, 2 meals is not really bad. Then I looked in that cooler thing, and they had this. It's Front Porch strawberry kiwi flavored lemonade from concentrate with other natural flavors. So I was like, oh, this may be good. Now, I didn't see any like strawberry stuff in the bottom, so I don't know. But I said, I don't really drink sugar. The whole thing has 45 grams of sugar, so I wouldn't dare drink this whole thing. Oh, y'all, it's 2.5 servings. But it has some juice. I just wanted to try it. I wouldn't drink the whole thing. I just try a little bit and get the rest of my son. Ooh, I'm taking a long time, aren't I? But anyway, I got the Brillo pads. Y'all know Brillo clean anything. And I've noticed, like, and I'm just going to keep it 100. And on some of my baseboards, like, and that's why I got that little broom. On some of my baseboards, I can see dust settling. I just don't like that. That's why I know people like wood floors and stuff, but I guess I need to get an air purifier, because it takes a lot to keep your baseboards and stuff clean with the wooden floors, especially if you sweep. I guess I need to use the vacuum cleaner more. Have y'all ever tried this salt-free season by Supreme Traditions? I like it. I also got this Detox Tea, and I was like, let me just try. This tea wasn't but $1.25. And when I look at the ingredients, it said that it has turmeric, curry leaves, clove, pepper, cumin seeds, cinnamon, green tea. Things that's supposed to be good for it. Alright, y'all, so I bought this little brush so I could get like in the little grooves. And I don't even watch TikTok that much, but it just came up on my feed. Well, a lady, she put some Dawn dishwashing liquid, and she took a brush, but it's with the broom brush thing, which I bought one and left, and she wiped that down, and then she put the lid, the towel on it, and cleaned it up. Because baseboards do get dirty. I don't like that. Anyway, my son liked it. And y'all know what? The other store, these would be cheaper. Because right now, they're $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is not the cheapest place anymore. Because these are 88 cents at a cost plus store. And plus with the 10%, it's still just 96 if the price hasn't changed. I haven't been, really and truly, I hadn't been doing much grocery shopping. I've been concentrating on debt. Being debt free. So that's where my focus has been right now. So I haven't been doing much shopping. Okay, so and then y'all, I got these. I've been doing my fall shopping, getting ready, because you know if you wait to go into the Dollar Tree, you ain't gonna be able to find nothing. So these flowers actually look good in this vase. But what I got these for, I have a little it's like a little flower bed right there at my door. It has brick. It's built into the house, and I put fake flowers in there. And this is what I'm going to put in there for the fall. Now for the for Christmas, I have like little Christmas stuff. And for the summer, I will show y'all what I got out there, but it's pouring down raining now, not right now. And then in the south, we have carports where everybody else has garages. So I got 2 doors out there. So I'm going to put one of these on each door, and I'm going to actually make a wreath. If I don't purchase, well, you know what? I got one from last year, and I bought a new one from Kirkland's for this year. So the one from last year, I may clean it up and put it out there just to kind of, you know, decorate and spruce it up for the holidays. You know, clean it up and putting stuff, cute little, pretty little stuff.